back, guys. I am coming to you with probably one of the most easiest wigs you are ever going to see. Okay, it is by Royalme, and this is what it looks like straight out of the box. Now this video is sponsored, but to be honest with you, I have never come across a wig like this. It has a pre-made wig cap in there and it's pre-plucked. Look, crazy. All I'm going to be doing here is literally no wig cap. You saw no wig cap. I am going to throw this wig on. I have washed it. I've worn this wig pretty much for the past 2 weeks, so you'll see that it has a side part right here. You see? Because actually I was wearing this in like a side parted bob with a bunch of cute curls in it. At the end of this video, I will leave some photos of what the curls look like so you can just get a better understanding. However, I am going to be doing a middle part and I'm going to be straightening the hair. And what you're going to see here is this wig is a 5x5, which means you can do a really deep part. Like, yeah, honestly, you guys know I don't have a mirror in front of me. You guys know that I usually just like do my best to wing it because I don't have any type of big mirror that I can see myself while I'm filming. But I could take this part even deeper, guys, even deeper, which I find to be kind of crazy because I have no wig cap on. I didn't have to pre-pluck anything. Literally the only thing I had to do was cut the lace off. Now I'm taking this wand just because, like I said, I had already, you know, pre-styled this hair. I had it in a side part, and when I had that side part, I had really worked to make sure I could keep that side part. So I'm just using this wand to go ahead and solidify, you know, my middle part. You guys know how wigs work, okay? I'm not crazy. You know how wigs work, so you already should know what I'm doing. Now, what'll help this middle part stay a lot is if you have a hot comb that you're able to, you know, one of the electric hot combs, that you're able to really sit down and press the hair out. This even works better if you have a wig stand instead of actually doing this on your head. If you have a wig stand and you style this wig on there, it will save you even more time. Like, this wig is ridiculously easy, okay? For those of you who don't wear wigs in the summertime because you feel like it's too much work or it's too hot, this is going to be the wig for you, okay? All right? Now, all I'm doing real quick is just going over the part area, trying to make sure I can get the hair to stay down as much as possible. So I took a little scarf and I basically placed it over the part just to help me out a little bit, because what we're getting ready to do is go into just straighten it out a little bit. Like I said, I washed the hair, but I did previously have curls in it. That's why it's a little bit wavy. So I just want to take some oil. I believe I'm using Kira Care's, I'll link it in the description box below. Matter of fact, all information on this hair and this company will be linked in the description box below, okay? I think it's funny. I feel like you guys have never really seen me in short hair, so I know I look kind of funny, but look at how nicely this wig straightens, okay? This isn't even me styling it. I'm literally just straightening it because I'm gonna go in with some baby hairs, and for me personally, when dealing with wigs and straight hair, I kind of like the hair to stay in place while I'm styling, if that makes sense. So all the waves that are going on right now, they're really going to irritate me while I'm trying to do my baby hairs and the rest of my styling. So I just like to go in and pre-straighten. I can even tell you right now that my straightener isn't even really hot. I believe it's on like 300 maybe. Okay, I know some people love to keep their straightener on 450, but I think I have mine on like 300, maybe 350. And look at how well the hair is straightening. Like, look at that. It is doing nothing but shining. The hair is super soft as well. It's almost like if you got your hair permed, because I know, you know, I know y'all are naturals that watch my channel. So if you were to get your hair permed, or not permed, but your hair straightened, look at that shine. That is pretty much what it would look like. Now, like I said, I'm gonna go in with you know, Got to Be Glue to do my baby hairs. Now, I must admit, I personally did not like using Got to Be Glue on my baby hairs for this wig. Like, this wig is so soft and so just luxurious that the Got to Be Glue kind of, I don't know, I wouldn't say that's the best edge control to do your edges with, but it did the trick, because like I said, I was still going to do, you know, just a straight bob. So I went ahead and wrapped up my edges, and we're going to get to just straightening the hair. All right, I literally had it just pinned back so my edges could melt in. So all I'm going to do here is remove the pins and allow my hair to set. And it's kind of funny because literally I went to my grandma's house after I did this, and she was like, you cut your hair, because my hair is like super long right now. But she thought that I'd actually cut my hair and went to a stylist and got it styled. Like, she was just flabbergasted that I was wearing a wig. She literally pulled me aside and was like, that wig is so nice, don't tell nobody that that's a wig, leave them guessing. So I'm just straightening. This is really a simple wig. To be honest, my favorite style with this wig is keeping it completely curled, just because the curls are so soft and luscious on the hair. And ooh, look at that shine. Now this is pretty much it for the wig. This is one of my favorite wigs that I've ever received. Like, the hair is so soft, so human-like. It's really the best wig out there, since I don't have to pre-pluck it, I don't have to bleach any knots, and I don't even need to purchase any wig caps. That's really what the best part about this is. Now, if you wanted to see what it looked like curled, how I wear it on the daily, this is how your girl wears it. Literally my summertime fine wig. Y'all, look how fine I look in this wig. All right, see you guys in my next video. Peace out.